All right, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to still work on index laws, use index laws, and now a kind of worded questions, yeah, that are common, at your GCSEs or further even. Express 16 to the power of 2x plus 1 in the form 4 to the power of y. Now, when you look at these questions like this, they just want to test your knowledge of indices, okay? Now, you can see this 16 here is to the power of 2x plus 1, and they want it in the form of 4 to the power of y. So usually they will give you a number here that they know that can, when you look at the 4 and you look at the 16, you will see that 16 can actually be written as a power of 4. Okay, so 16 can be written as a power of 4. Okay, so all you need to do is look for a number. How do you write 16 as a power of 4? Okay, now 16 to the power of 4, you know that 4 times 4, you know that 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. So in other words, writing 16 as a power of 4 will be 4 times 4, which is what? Which is 4 squared. So in place of the 16, you're simply going to replace that 16 with 4 squared. Okay, so let's do that now. Now we have, in place of 16, we write 4 squared. And remember, all that 16 is to the power of 2x plus what? Plus 1. So that's what we need to do, okay? And once we do that, we are on track here. 4 squared, all that is in bracket because this still makes 16, and we have to the power of 2x plus 1. So now what we need to do is apply our knowledge of indices. So we have the squared there, okay? And if you remember that, when we have a squared here, this 2, okay, we have to multiply it by whatever the power is, okay? And then we can leave the 4 on its own, okay? So we are going to multiply this power by 2x plus 1. So this is going to equal to, I'm going to write the 4 as it is. And then when I multiply the 2, I'm going to first actually leave it in bracket here, 2. I'm multiplying it by 2x plus 1. Okay, that's the same thing. So I've written the 4 on its own. The 2, I've removed the bracket, but multiplied the 2 by 2x plus what? 1. So I'll continue here to open this bracket out. So this will be 4. I will multiply 2 times 2x to open the bracket. 2 times 2x is 4x. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so I have 4 to the power of 4x plus 2. And they wanted us to write it in the form of what? 4 to the power of y. Okay, so we have our 4 as the base, which is similar to that 4. And we have 4x plus 2, which is equal to the what? Which is equal to y. So we have actually expressed 16 to the power of 2x plus 1 in the form of 4 to the power of y. Just for you to understand this is the 4 and that is the 4. That means, of course, this y is equal to that power because y is a power, so is also equal to this power, 4x plus what? Plus 2. But this is what we are talking about now. That is the answer. 4 to the power of 4x plus 2. Okay? Done that. Okay? That's how you would express, that's how you would work out that question. Okay? Now, I have one that you can try out, then we can do as well after that, which is we are going to express, I'll write it here, express, because this is how they ask these questions. Express 9 to the power of 3x minus 5 in the form of 3 in the form 3 to the power of y. So same thing, we are looking at that 3, look at the bases 3, and we are looking at the 9. And we know that 9 can be written in terms of 3, okay? Because we know 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 is the same as 3 squared. So I'll write 3 squared, okay? And first put it in brackets for you to understand, to the power of 3x minus 5, okay? Then I will multiply this 2 by that power, okay? So this will be, I'll leave the 3 on its own, 2 open brackets 3x minus 5, and I close the bracket. So here I have my 3, then I open the brackets. 2, this 2 times 3x is 6x, and then 2 times 5, we have a minus there, minus 10, okay? And even if you left it at this, by the way, you've already sorted it out, okay? But you'd rather simplify by opening the brackets. So this 3 will have 3 to the power of 6x minus what? Minus 10. So it is in the form of 3 to the power of y. And since the bases are the same, it is clear that the 6x minus 10 is the same as, is equal to y. 6x minus 10 is equal to y, because they are all in the same power, because we have the same bases, okay? So we have actually expressed that in that form, okay? Well, I was meant to leave you this for you to do yourselves, but actually I have gone through it, okay? I have gone through it. So I'll give you one to try out. I'll ask you to express. I'll say 25 to the power of 2x plus 2. Express it in the form of 5 to the power of y, okay? You can try this question out, okay? This one, okay, just for your practice. Express 25 to the power of 2x plus 2 in the form of 5 to the power of y, okay? Try it out. You can pause the video and try it out. Okay, I hope you've tried it out. So we're looking at this 5, and we're looking at 25, and we know 25 can be written in terms of 5. We know 5 times 5, or 5 squared, is actually 25. So I'll simply write 5 to the power of 2, okay? Open the bracket. I'm going to do this very quickly now. I won't put that first bracket, 2x plus 2, okay? Then you can open the brackets. 2 times 2 will be 5 to the power of 4x, 2, and then 2 times 2 plus 4. Okay, so you have written it in the form of 5 to the power of y. Guys, I hope you got this right, okay? Yeah, now those are the common questions that are asked. Yeah, I hope you like this video and it was helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.